My secret ingredient. I asked my wife last night in bed. I said, "Hey, babe, what's my secret ingredient?" And we had a good giggle, and she said, "Actually, it's a sense of humor." She said, "Whenever anything happens, you diffuse it with humor. You make it light with humor." I remember in the trauma unit when there was chaos, there was always humor that helped me manage things. And it just, for me, it just makes life a little bit better, and it's nice to live that way. So that's on a lighter note. Sense of humor, I think, is just helpful in all aspects. On maybe a slightly more serious note, I've prayed a prayer most days that goes something like this: Father, help me to see the world. Heavenly Father, help me to see the world the way you see the world. And if you pray that prayer long enough, you get to realize that what really matters to God is people, loving and serving people. And if what I do is given in the service of those around me, it's a life worth living. It's a life that brings fulfillment. It's a life that brings reward. We talk about the golden rule: do unto others as you want them to do unto you. God came in and said, no, there's a platinum rule. Love others like I have loved you. And if I can do that, if I can put people first, for me, that's an ingredient that's a life well lived. In fact, Patch Adams, great movie, a movie that really shaped me as a young doctor, makes this statement in the courtroom. And yes, it's around medicine, but it's around life too. And he says, if you treat a disease, you'll win some, you'll lose some. But if you treat a person, you'll always win. People really matter.